Hello everyone. Sorry here. Thank you so much for joining me. This is my Craft Roulette submission for episode 133, which was technically last week's, but time just goes by really fast, and you just do what you can do, and try not to stress about it, which I do. so, but that's okay. I decided to make this one really, really fast just to move forward because I do have some other things that I want to start recording and not to take up too much time. And this is a drawing card. I'm going to be drawing for this card, and so I don't need to really watch it real time. I did speed it up 8 times just so that we can just see it being created really fast. And while this is going on, I can take the time to talk about Craft Roulette. It's pretty much a show that happens every Friday, and the host will spin a wheel, and on the wheel there's a bunch of numbers, and when those numbers are picked, it tells us what the parameters are going to be in 4 different categories, and that's projects, colors, elements, and random. And then you go off and try to make a card using these parameters, and then when the next Friday comes along, they showcase them and they talk about them, and you can win prizes. So that's always a bonus, right? So it's actually quite fun. The community is amazing, very friendly, very welcoming. It's just, if you're looking for some fun, if you're looking for inspiration, if you just want to watch, whatever it is, there's something there for you. And I really enjoy it. It really helps me. Actually, I wouldn't draw as much as I do without Craft Roulette. It really sparks my imagination, and I love that. And so I keep doing it whenever I have chance. Luckily, I'm always able to squeeze it in, and it's fun. I definitely check it out. I'll try to put the information in the description box below, but you can check it out at craftroulette.live. And then also check them out on YouTube and their Facebook group. So, as I was chit-chatting away, I have been coloring and drawing this pumpkin. His name is Jack, and he is very happy to have found this darling pumpkin. All dolled up, ready to go to the Fall Harvest Festival. That's what I think I said. Now, I actually like this design. It's simple, but the reason I like this design is there's 2 ways of looking at it. One way is he has found this beautiful pumpkin and is going to go to the Fall Harvest Festival with it. The other side, which is more of a darker humor, is that he's been tricked because someone has painted a face on a regular pumpkin that's not alive, and he has been mustering up the courage to ask this pumpkin out, thinking thinking that the pumpkin is being hard to get. So he's trying to ask it out, but really it's not real. And so that's the darker side. But you use your imagination. You allow yourself to take whatever side of the story you like. There's nothing wrong. I'm not going to tell what is right and what is wrong, because it could be whatever you like. Or you can create your own story with Jack and this pumpkin. I just think he's really sweet. He has his cluster of flowers, which is one of the parameters for Craft Roulette 133. Actually, I can just tell you right now, because it looks like I'm not going to show you until maybe later, but the parameters for episode 133 was it has to be a 4x6 card. It needs to have the colors white, blue, and 2 others. So in this case, I am using white as the base. Blue, you can see on the flowers in her eyes. And then the 2 other colors is green and orange. Of course, all neutrals like brown, black, white, beige, all those are freebies, so the black is allowed. And then the last one, the random, is a squiggle, which I did in the flower bouquet and on his hair. I don't know if you caught that. There's 2 little squiggles on his hair, and I thought that was kind of fun. To cut down on the white, I decided to take some inks, and that was just some black and orange. And I just cut a circle on some printer paper and then masked it and inked it over. And that was what I did there. And then I'm going to mat this card on some black and some blue. And the blue is the tie-in with the makeup and the flowers. It's an interesting color for Halloween. And as you can see, I also decorated my desk with some nice black ink. So I'll have to clean that up. So there's the parameters, 4x6, white, blue, +2, floral cluster, squiggle, all good to go. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this card. I had a lot of fun drawing and coloring it and showing you my process and everything. So until the next time, have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.